Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have this Kia K5 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video.
These are the tools you need for the installation.
So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So we're going to need two solutions. We're going to need baby shampoo with distilled water mixed together in one spray bottle. And then the other one, you're going to need isopropyl alcohol, 70 through 90%, and distilled water mixed together. So first we're going to use our slip solution. That way we're able to remove any surface contaminants that we may have. And with a clean microfiber towel, start removing the contaminants. Make sure you rotate your microfiber towel and spray your tack solution onto your towel. And just remove any other contaminants that are still left behind. Okay, so once we finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and slip solution to the headlight. And all we need to do is just make sure we apply the tint to the headlight, just like this. And with this one, we're going to start around this middle section here first. That way, once we align it here, we work away from one end, down, and the other end. So this tint covers right about there. It doesn't cover this rubber material, it only covers the lens. So keep that in mind. So once you have it aligned, you can lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. Make sure it stays aligned and it doesn't shift, and start tacking it down slowly. It's important that it stays aligned on this curve first, that way everything else is able to tack down smoothly. So you can also apply tack solution on this section here. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. Hold the film as you're tacking it down, that way it doesn't move on you. And keep everything aligned here. So for now, we'll leave this as is. Continue here. Make sure this stays secure. If you're having trouble tacking it down, what you can do is applying just a little bit of heat. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster. So before applying heat, apply tack solution on top. Use the low setting on your heat gun or your hair dryer and apply it in side to side motion. Okay, apply tack solution once more. That way our squeegee is able to glide and not get stuck onto the film. So just work your way, do a light stretch to reach to the edge here. That way remove any fingers. So secure this end, it should be good. We'll come back and apply heat, and now help stretch the film to reach it here in order to remove this finger here. So we need to stretch the film. If the adhesive is starting to tack down, just lift it carefully and apply slip solution. That way we're able to place it, move it around, and stretch the film. Just a light stretch until the tip of the tint reaches right on the edge of the headlight right here. So make sure this area is dry, that we have good grip. Hold it in position, and now the finger that we had here completely disappeared. So just hold it and apply tack solution to start securing it. Place it back down and start from this end. That way you bring all of the solution towards the front and start securing the tint. You can come back after. Now we just work our way here. Just do a light stretch. That way we're able to remove the finger. Keep it aligned right on the bottom line here. Small stretch, hold it, and tack. The design of the headlight does have a relief cut here, and the reason why it has it is so that way there's not too much tension in tacking down here, and you don't have any fingers when installing the headlight tint. So just keep that in mind. That way it's more easier to install. Okay, secure here. Stretch on top, just a little bit. You can lift to adjust just a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. And all these fingers that you encounter on the top section here, just apply tack solution and heat, microfiber towel to hold it down, and you should be good. So apply tack solution all over the edges. Apply heat, just a little bit of heat on each section where the fingers are located. After you apply heat, just grab your microfiber towel, help it sit on the curve, and do the same here. Hold it a couple seconds, and it should stay in form here. And if you need more room to work with, you can always lift the hood to have access to the top. It's not necessary, but if you need access, you can always lift the hood. Don't forget here, since it does have a relief cut, we need to make sure everything stays tacked down. So same step, tack solution, apply a little bit of heat, side to side motion. You don't need to squeegee, just grab your microfiber towel, hold the film that way it doesn't move, and apply pressure, just light pressure. And that's pretty much it. You would just repeat this process until everything's tacked down, and you should be good. Don't forget around this section here as well. Hold it, apply heat, and tack down. So the last thing to do once we're finished with the entire installation is to pulse heat the entire film. So all you need to do is apply tack solution to the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat. You can use the low or the highest setting on your heat gun or hair dryer. Just make sure if you do use the highest setting not to be too close to the film. Make sure you spread the heat evenly, that way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Take your time applying heat, and once you're done applying heat, we're just going to use a microfiber towel to help the film sit all around the headlight, that way it doesn't lift over time. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. That concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Kia K5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.